Hey, what's going on, everybody? Noah Harrison here, over here at the beach. And I was sitting here thinking about a video today of what I could be making on how to help you guys, repair your credit, fix your credit, just any information um, that we could possibly give to you guys and help you guys out. Hopefully, you guys are learning. Please subscribe to the channel if you can. Go ahead and click the like button so I know that, hey, we're doing the right thing here. Everybody's getting good information. So let's move forward then. So in 2021, what should you be doing with your credit report, your scores, and how is that working out? Well, since the pandemic, as you realize, a lot of companies have went out of business. So meaning, whatever was reported on your credit report is still there. However, there is nobody to verify your your accounts that were past due, maybe that you owe collections on, you owe money to, whatever the case may be. The list could go on. And it's like, well, what should you do? You can't get in contact with the company, but it's still on your credit report. See, this is where a credit repair company, um, such as Debt First Credit Second, could help you with that. Meaning, so because you can't get in contact with the companies, hey, there are methods that you can actually go towards to where you can actually get those results and get that stuff removed, get those negative items and debt off of your credit report. So instead of showing, for example, if you have $3,000, you bought a car at, we'll just say J.C. Penney's. So you got a Discover card, MasterCard, whatever they give out at J.C. Penney's. As we all know, J.C. Penney's is not in business, but you still owe J.C. Penney's. So now what is going on? You have to dispute it. And if it comes back to you and they say, hey, we verified it, you need to dispute it again. Now, a lot of times, a lot of people don't understand the dispute process and how much process goes into it, what needs to go in, what needs to be sent out, what you're asking for, what you're requesting, what laws are you attaching to that. And that's a basic sum of the dispute process. You're attaching laws, you got to know what you're asking for, what you're requesting. And a lot of people don't know exactly what they're requesting. So, again, a company like us could actually help you and save a lot of money, which we do on a daily day basis, and why we fix a lot of clients' credit. Because a lot of times they don't understand, hey, what's going on, or how to even get in contact with a lot of these creditors. And then with the creditors, here's some problems with that. Because your account is old, they have sold your information. There's a debt collection agency, and they just want to collect the money. Well, they don't have the original documents. So how can they collect money anyway? But a lot of people don't notice that. So on our end, we go ahead and we dispute this process. We go ahead and look into your overall scores, because it's not just the numbers, it's actually what's being reported. Some of our clients don't understand that until they start working with us and they actually see that. So this was just some quick information on what you should be doing in 2021. Hopefully, this information was important. Hey, why is it important to still continue to fix your credit report? Man, it is hot out here. Y'all probably see me sweating right now too. But what you should be doing is, some advice also is, make sure you're looking at your report every month. Every 30 days, there's a report that comes out. Yes, they have the freecreditreport.com you can go to every year, but that's just about as equivalent as checking your personal account every year, hoping that all the money that you put into it should all be accounted for. So in 2021, you should be looking at your credit report, checking it out every 30 days. Whatever you see, you should dispute or have a credit repair company dispute it and attach the laws and what's going on to save you money out the outcome. Now, at the end of this outcome, you'll be able to purchase a house that a lot of our clients want to do. And as well as the credit repair company, we are connected with different mortgage companies for loan officers, real estate companies as well. And you can start a business too. But again, this is just quick information on what you should be doing in 2021 and just some updates on companies now who has went out of business or some that's even in business. You know, this just doesn't apply to companies that went out of business. But I'm going to make another video of that for another time. Alright, Noah Harrison, you got First Credit Savvy. Subscribe, like, pay for any information. Please comment below.